Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Tidio AI live chat for automated support replies, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Tidio AI live chat for automated support replies, first, visit the Tidio website. Create an account by clicking on the Get Started button. You will need to provide your email address and set a password. After registering, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the link in your email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your Tidio dashboard. On the dashboard, select Add to Website to start the installation process. Choose your platform, such as WordPress, Shopify, or another. If you are using WordPress, install the Tidio plugin from the WordPress plugin directory. For Shopify, follow the on-screen instructions to add Tidio using the Shopify App Store. If you're using a custom website, Tidio will provide you with a code snippet. Copy the provided code. Next, navigate to your website's HTML code. Paste the Tidio code snippet just before the closing /body tag. Save your changes and refresh your website. Return to your Tidio dashboard to customize your chat widget. You can choose the design, color, and position of the chat widget. Set up your automated replies by clicking on chatbots in the menu. Create a new bot by selecting a template or starting from scratch. Define the questions and responses that you want the bot to automate. Once created, activate the bot to start responding to visitors. Test the chat widget on your website to ensure it is working correctly. Adjust settings as necessary to optimize user experience. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Tidio AI live chat for automated support replies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.